Intro. In Teams, users can seamlessly chat and call other Teams users. With evolved voice and text, making calls to cell phones and landlines is just as simple. For pricing and ordering details, please visit evolvecellular.com or call 833-898-8326. The accompanying video showcases the key phone voice calling features of Evolve Cellular Voice and Text for Microsoft Teams. It begins by illustrating the initiation process for internal Teams calls versus phone calls, both of which utilize the Teams meeting window once the call is established. The demonstration progresses to adding multiple Teams participants and callers and further covers functions such as mute, hold, remove, as well as blind and consult transfer functions. Chapter 1. Making calls between Teams users within the platform is a key feature designed for internal collaboration. To start a call with another Teams user, beginning from a chat initiates the process that leads you to the Teams meeting window, where the call can be completed with the intended recipient. To call another Teams user, click the chat icon in the left-hand menu and select the New Chat icon. Type a name, press the tab, or select the Type a Message window. The phone icon will appear at the top right-hand corner of the page. If you are calling someone you previously chatted with, click their name in the left-hand chat list. Like starting with a new chat, the phone icon will appear at the top right-hand corner of the page. If you hover over this phone icon, it will pop up Audio Call. If you click the phone icon, a new window will open, and you will now hear ringing.
Alex Wilbur is currently unavailable. Please leave a message after the tone. When you have finished, please hang up or press the pound key for more options.
For this video, we will refer to this new window that allows us to manage the call simply as the Teams meeting window. As you can see from the icons across the top of the Teams meeting window, you can add participants, hold, transfer, and many other things we will cover later in this video. The critical point here is that you started a call with another Teams user, and no matter how you created a call, you are now in the Teams meeting window. I point this out because in the following chapter, you will see that calling a cellular or landline phone number starts differently, but you end up in the same Teams meeting window. Chapter 2. Let's start a call using a phone number within Teams. This feature is part of Evolve Cellular Voice and Text for Teams, allowing calls to landlines and mobiles. Make sure you have Evolve Cellular Voice and Text for Microsoft Teams set up in your account before proceeding. To begin, click on the Calls icon on the left-hand side. Next, look for the Type a Name or Number field at the top left corner. Enter the 10-digit phone number you wish to call and press Tab or click on the formatted number below. Once entered, notice the previously grayed-out Call button now turning purple. Click on this purple Call button to start the call. A new window will pop up and you'll hear ringing. We'll refer to this window as the Teams meeting window for the purpose of this demonstration. Now, this window might look slightly different from the one you saw when calling another Teams user. Even though some icons across the top might differ, you'll still find functions like adding participants, hold, and transfer available. However, note that features like chat, share, or camera won't be accessible since this is a voice call to a phone number. The key point here is that regardless of how you initiated the call, you're now in a Teams meeting window with some reduced functionalities compared to calls within Teams. It's important to highlight that the meeting window for calls to phone numbers and calls to Teams users is the same. So for the rest of this video, all features we'll demonstrate will start within this meeting window, just as if the call were initiated from the call's dial pad to a landline or cellular phone number.